Okay, our fire is dying down to a nice glow, and our baked cookies should be done now. Go ahead and pull them out. They are on parchment paper here. Oh yeah. Risen up nice. Beautiful. Here you can see we have our beautiful cake cookies that we baked up on our wood-fired Gulliver cook stove. If you guys enjoy these baking videos, please give me that thumbs up. Share them with a group or friend, somebody who would enjoy this video. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button in the corner of our channel. God bless y'all. Thanks for being here. Have the most wonderful day. Bye.